Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials, and today we are going to discuss. For this one we shall go to accounting, and here we shall click find and record, and we shall see this option. Click here find and record. We shall set the condition account, and here we shall write motor vehicle account and search for this one. All the transactions are showing here. We need to change these taxes to exempt and region to central. So click all these transactions, and here we shall recode source transactions. Contact is same, account is same, and tax rate we need to change, that is tax exempt, I think so. Tax exempt 0% and region to central. Another condition is region, that is central. So now we shall review and update. Confirm this one, and now all these changes would be applied here. My result. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn about QuickBooks and Xero certification as well as tutorial, please visit my channel Abid Financials. Thank you very much for watching.